So hello guys, welcome back to the new video of Tech Yorker. In this video, I will guide you with how you can fix iPhone screenshots showing black screen on iOS 26. So first of all, disable full screen preview of the screenshots. For this, open the Settings app. Now here scroll down and tap on General. Now scroll down and here tap on Screen Capture. Now here turn off this toggle for full screen previews. Now once you do this, restart your iPhone. For this, press and hold the volume down button and the power button together. Now slide it to power off. Now once your iPhone turns off, press and hold the power button to turn it on. Now wait until your iPhone boots. Now once your iPhone boots normally, swipe up and unlock it. Now this should fix the issue. In case you still face the issue, then update your iPhone software. For this, open the Settings app. Now tap on General and then tap on Software Update. Now this will check for the latest update. If you see any update here, then install it. So this is how I can fix iPhone screenshots showing black screen on iOS 26. So I hope you find this video useful. And if you do, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel.